Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you study the night before an exam. First, identify the most important topics and concepts that are likely to appear on your test. Gather all your notes, textbooks, and any study guides you have. Then, create a realistic, short study schedule for the evening, focusing on active recall and practice questions. This approach maximizes your limited time and reduces stress. Focus on active recall methods rather than just rereading. Quiz yourself using flashcards or by explaining concepts aloud. Review any summaries you've made or provided by your instructor. Work through a few practice problems, especially for subjects like math or science, to solidify your understanding. Aim for short, intense study bursts, perhaps 25 to 30 minutes each, followed by a brief break. It's crucial to avoid trying to learn entirely new material the night before. This can lead to confusion and burnout. Absolutely do not pull an all-nighter. Your brain needs rest to consolidate information. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Also, limit your caffeine intake in the evening to ensure you can fall asleep easily and wake up refreshed. Before you go to bed, lay out everything you'll need for the exam, like pens, pencils, and your ID. On exam morning, eat a balanced breakfast to fuel your brain. Arrive at your exam location with plenty of time to spare, allowing you to settle in without rushing. Take a few deep breaths to calm any nerves and approach the test with a clear, focused mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.